Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today it's time for another episode of Mopar News for August 2022, keeping you updated on what's going on in the world of Mopar. It's been a busy month with lots of new Dodge releases and content, but I wanted to squeeze in one Mopar news here at the end of the month just to talk about some stuff that I've missed or haven't covered yet. So we've got lots of new direct connection parts, Dodge Hornet updates and stage kits, Dodge Durango Hellcat updates, a new German widebody kit for the Charger, Maserati Grecale Launch Edition models, and new Jeep Gladiator colors. So let's get right into it. So first I wanted to look at some small but significant updates for the Dodge Durango. As we covered a few weeks ago, the Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat is back again for the 2023 model year. If you weren't aware, Dodge made a Durango Hellcat for 2021, saying that it would be a one-year production run at the time. They made 2,000 units, but the demand was so high they did roughly another 1,000, so there are around 3,000 2021 Durango Hellcats built. The heart of the Hellcat is the 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi with 710 horsepower and 645 pound-feet of torque, and that means this SUV can do 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds, the quarter mile in 11.5 seconds, and have a top speed of 180 miles per hour. Now, many people were wondering how many Hellcat Durangos would be made for 2023, and if they would be more or less rare than the 2021 version. And it looks like there won't be any set limits this time around. Mopar insiders reported that Tim Kuniskis, the CEO of Dodge, said, quote, "I honestly don't know how many we will make. We had so many orders for the 2021 model, we added an additional 1,000 units to the original production numbers that we originally announced. The 2023 model year will depend on how many parts we can allocate and how many people want to buy them." End quote. We also know that the Hellcat will have a Plus package that includes Laguna leather seats, trailer tow group, power sunroof, and adaptive and advanced safety features. The Premium package is better, adding all the Plus features along with red seatbelts, a leather-wrapped instrument panel, carbon fiber interior accents, and a 19-speaker Harman Kardon audio system. The SRT Black package option from 2021 is no longer offered, but it has been replaced with a blacktop package, which is essentially the same thing, so that's got a set of 20 by 10 inch black noise aluminum wheels, gloss black badges, a satin black Dodge taillight badge, and gloss black mirror caps. And finally, Dodge is also offering two new colors for the 2023 Hellcat, Triple Nickel and Frostbite. So ordering for this beast begins in September 2022. Now let's cover the new direct connection parts that Dodge has added. This was announced during day one of Speed Week earlier in the month, but all the other news kind of took priority, so I still wanted to cover it at some point, and here we are. The catalog is not fully updated, so some pieces might not have prices at this time, but they should all be available either now or in the near future. First, Dodge is offering a blueprint for National Hot Rod Association and National Muscle Car Association competitors with the Dodge Challenger Mopar Drag Pack rolling chassis. So this comes with a 4-link rear suspension, double adjustable Bilstein coilovers, Strange Engineering 9-inch rear end, Strange Pro Series 2 racing brakes, and Weld beadlock lightweight wheels with Mickey Thompson drag racing tires. The chassis also has chromoly tubing and a fully welded roll cage, so this allows racers to then swap in powertrain and driveline components of their choice. Total cost is $89,999. Dodge also offers just a new body in white kit with an optional choice of exterior vehicle colors, so that's basically a shell for $7,995. Next, Direct Connection has teamed up with Speedcore to offer carbon fiber parts for the modern-era Dodge Challenger. These will meet or exceed the OEM quality standards and look awesome while also shaving some weight off. Parts will include the rear spoiler, front splitter, rocker panels, and rear diffuser. Direct Connection is also partnering with another company called Final Speed to license a 1970 Dodge Charger carbon fiber body that can then be built into a complete and finished vehicle. And future vehicles along that same style will include the Plymouth Barracuda and Roadrunner. Other parts for the more modern Hemis include the TorqueFlite 8 HP70 transmission, which is paired with the Scat Pack models that have the 6.4-liter Hemi V8, so that's now a plug-and-play option with crate engines. They're also offering the 2.7-liter supercharger kit from the SRT Hellcat Redeye, and the 3-liter supercharger kit from the Hellefin 426 for custom builds. And another addition would be American racing headers and exhaust system for the Dodge Charger, Challenger, and Durangos. So previously, Direct Connection didn't offer any other aftermarket headers, and they just had the Mopar exhaust system. Next up, we'll have a look at the new Dodge Hornet. Soon enough, I'll be making a full lineup overview or buying guide, but for now, here are some quick updates that build on what we already know. Firstly, the Hornet is meant to get Dodge back into the compact UV segment, and trigger an influx of sales, and that's what it seems to be doing. Sales for the Hornet opened up on Tuesday, August 16th at 8 a.m., which was day 2 of Dodge Speed Week. That night at 7 p.m., Dodge CEO Tim Kuniskis was announcing the new batch of news, and he said, quote, "It took Dodge years to enter the massive compact UV segment, and the response was exactly what we expected. Some of you were pissed, some of you think we sold out. Well, I guess it depends on your definition of sold out, because since 8 a.m. this morning, we received 14,000 orders." End quote. I believe this was just for the GT alone, without any official pricing or information on the Dodge website. So that's a really good start for the Hornet. Direct Connection will also offer plenty of upgrades for the Hornets. Many of these features are showcased on the Dodge Hornet GLH, or Goes Like Hell concept, that you can find on screen. First, there will be stage kits that offer stackable performance upgrades, similar to the ones available for the Hellcats. So for example, the first stage kit will improve the Hornet GT by offering a Direct Connection engine control unit, or ECU tuner, a unique calibration code keychain, increased boost calibration, and transmission calibration. Other performance upgrades that Dodge is offering will include a lowering kit with new front and rear springs, an upgrade to a less restrictive dual exhaust with black chrome tips and a throatier sound, 20-inch painted and machine face wheels with GLH branding, and GLH graphics including stripes and logos. And that's all for the Hornet GT right now, but there will be upgrades coming for the Hornet RT plug-in hybrid electric version. All details like horsepower numbers, pricing, and availability of these parts for the Dodge Hornet will be announced at a later date. So whether you love or hate the Hornet, Dodge is really trying to create a buzz around these new models, and it seems to be working so far. Next is another item I found to be really cool, and that's a new aftermarket widebody kit for the Dodge Charger. Dodge introduced a factory widebody kit for the Scat Packs and Hellcats, only beginning in 2020 for the Charger and 2018 for the Challenger. The widebody package added unique front and rear fascias, body color fender flares, widebody competition suspension with Bilstein 3-mode adaptive damping, a flat bottom steering wheel, and a set of 20 by 11 inch wheels that were wrapped in Pirelli 305 35 ZR20 performance tires. The widebody is a super popular package, and I think it looks great. However, some have criticized it for simply being 3.5 inch wider fender flares at the end of the day visually. There's also the issue of many owners that purchased these vehicles from 2015 and up who would have loved a widebody, but of course they weren't offered at the time that they bought their vehicle. Dodge does now offer an OEM Challenger widebody kit for the 2015 and up Challengers through their Direct Connection catalog for $2,495 US just for the parts, but Charger owners are still mostly left in the dark. I've come across a German company by the name of S. Bader Carrosserie and Lack, who offer widebody kits for both the Charger and Challenger. The kit is more expensive than the OEM one, around €4,000, which converts to around $4,075 US, but it does add an incredible aggressive look and adds more than just fender flares. Some might say it doesn't look as clean as the OEM version, but it seems like it's beefier and there's a lot more going on visually, which some people definitely want to go for their modded Mopars. This kit adds side sills, a front splitter, rear fascia extensions, a ducktail rear spoiler, and the newer style Charger red-eye hood. Of course, the car you see on screen also does feature 21-inch Schmidt FS Line 3-piece wheels with massive 295/35 ZR21 tires up front and enormous 355/25 ZR21 tires in the back. And it also has longer axles and 25mm wheel spacers to help fill out the fender extensions. I don't believe all that would come with the package for that price though, but it gives you a good idea of what you could do to get a similar look. Next up is a new Maserati that will be released as a 2023 model called the Grecale. This was announced around March of 2022, but now there are some launch edition models that are coming out. Before the merger, Fiat Chrysler invested a lot of money into the Alfa Romeo and Maserati brands, and like it or not, now we are seeing the results of those investments. So again, to celebrate the launch, this fall there will be 2 launch editions, with just 325 produced in total for North America, so it's very limited production. The first is the Grecale Trofeo Prima Serie Launch Edition. The Trofeo is the top model, and this special edition comes with a 523 horsepower Nettuno V6 engine, Giallo Corsa yellow quad coat paint, 21-inch Creo wheels, gloss red calipers, and a black interior with yellow stitching and trim. It also comes with the Premium Plus package, which has a heated steering wheel, ventilated front seats and heated rear seats, brushed stainless steel sport pedals, a heads-up display, wireless charging, and a premium Sonos Faber audio system with 21 speakers. The second version is the Grecale Modena Prima Serie Launch Edition. This steps down to the 325 horsepower mild hybrid 4-cylinder and comes in 3 colors: Bianco Astro, Blue Nobile, and Grigio Cangiante. All feature special headrest stitching, custom Rosso red or Nero black interiors, and different colored calipers. These also feature the same Premium Plus package that we discussed earlier with the Trofeo model. Next, we'll take a look at some paint. I love to stay updated on which unique and high-impact colors the various Mopar brands release, and we do have a few new ones to report so far. The 2023 Dodge and Chrysler information hasn't been released yet, but we do know that the 2023 Jeep Gladiator will be getting a new color called High Velocity Yellow. Jeep has discontinued Snazberry in its place. Jeep also plans to bring 2 limited colors out later this year. The first is Earl, launching on January 2nd of 2023 for the Wrangler and Gladiator, and the second will be the return of Pumpkin, which comes out over a year from now on August 28th of 2023. High Velocity Yellow will join Firecracker Red, Hydro Blue, Sarge Green, Silver Zenith, Sting Gray, Granite Crystal, Black, and Bright White for the 2023 color palette, available on all the 2023 Gladiator models except for High Altitude, and each color has a US MSRP of $395. So that's the end of this episode of Mopar News. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and let me know what was your favorite piece. As always, thanks for watching, make sure to like and subscribe for all your Mopar content, and I'll see you in the next video.